Hey, it's Teammate here from Equip2 and I'm going to show you guys how to use the wired remote on a 58 or a 5400 CBI. First step is to open the cabinet. Come around the corner here and there's a Deutz connector which is plugged into a blank. Disconnect that. We grab our wired remote, plug it in. Then we need to turn our machine on. Once the machine is running, grab your remote, stick it on tracking mode, come up on the screen, the alarm will sound, and you're ready to use your forward and reverse functions on your tracking device. Once you've finished tracking, switch the remote off and shut down the machine. Thanks for watching on how to use the wired remote. If you have any more questions, please contact us at Equip2.